Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Transport operators across the island are again expressing concerns about the recent fare increase announced by the government. The phased 8% increase took effect yesterday, with another 8% to be added on July 1. However, the transport operators say it is merely a drop in the bucket as gas prices continue to climb. Here's Kelesha Williams with that story.
An emergency meeting between taxi operators in Norwood St. James Wednesday morning following Tuesday's announcement of a fare increase for public transport operators. At the top of the agenda, ensuring they're all on the same page when it comes to the amount passengers will pay for diverting from their main route.
Drivers them try to come together on one accord so that everybody can agree what the turn-off fares are going to be, because we have to set the turn-off fare. That means turn-off means when you have the main route, that's on the road license, and it goes from point A downtown to terminal point up here at Paradise now.
But overall, after waiting 3 years for the increase, the operators say they were hoping it would have been more than 16%. In some cases, it will just be an additional $40 per person.
Yeah, we are here debating about the taxi fare because the gas price increase every Wednesday, and it's a hectic thing for us as a driver.
President of the All Voice Route Taxis Association, Lorraine Finnegan, put things into perspective since the global oil tensions started to impact local gas prices.
In March of this year, it was costing our operators between $5,500 to $6,000 to top up a Probox tank. It was costing fully $7,000 to full one of the Vaxi or the Honda step wagon. These are referred to as the 7-seaters. Presently, as we speak, it is $8,600 to full one of the Probox, and it is $3,200 to full one of the Vaxis or the Honda step wagon.
While they say they understand the economic challenges also being faced by commuters, they say transport operators are being disproportionately affected.
This increase will not see a benefit to any of the operators. It will just cover costs. It barely can cover costs. So we will not take home any more money. We will not be able to buy another bread. Simply just to offset some of the costs that is already there in front of us. So really and truly, we should be getting an increase now.
However, Transport Minister Darrell Vaz had indicated that the decision is final and stressed that some taxi operators were already overcharging passengers before the increase was announced. Kelesha Williams, TVJ News.